Warm greetings to everyone. This is Ms. Ajanta, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Humanities, Hindustan Institute of Technology. A letter is a written message that can be handwritten or printed on paper. It is usually sent to the recipient via mail or post in an envelope. Letter writing has two types. One is formal, another one is informal letter. This day we are going to learn how to write personal letters. An informal letters, also referred as a friendly letter, is a personal letter written whom we are familiar with, like friends, siblings, parents, or any close one. There are fewer formatting rules for informal letter. While writing this one can afford to be friendly and make use of personal or emotional tone. Mainly 6 points that are taken to be care of while writing a personal letter. They are address, date, salutation, body of the letter, complimentary clause, and the signature. Let us see with an example. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the birthday present he has sent for you. The first thing to write is your address, that is, the address of the writer. We usually write the address on the left hand side of the page at the very top. The address should be very clear and accurate. Even when writing to close friends or relatives, the address must be written so they can reply back to the letter with yes. Next, just below the address, we should write the date. This allows the reader to have a reference as to when the letter was written. The date should be written like 19th July 2020. Next, salutation. It must be written after providing a single line space from address and date. The form of salutation will depend upon the relation in which we stand to the person to whom we are writing. For example, dear uncle. After salutation, we should write the body of the letter. While writing body of the letter, we should use simple and direct language and short sentences and be clear about what you want to say. The body of the letter has three parts. They are introduction, main content, and conclusion. In the introductory paragraph sets the tone for the whole letter. You might begin by asking the recipient about their well-being. And you may say that hope the letter finds them in good health and great spirits. That's why I have given this first paragraph. Hope you, Aunt Chotu and Motu are fine. I received your greeting card and the birthday present you have sent me. I know that the watch sent by you is a token of affection for me. You have been regularly sending birthday presents to me since my childhood. The second paragraph carries the main content. The main content conveys all the necessary details. Let's see the main content. I have always found your present to be most appreciable. But the latest model of HMT watch you have sent to me on my 20th birthday is the most beautiful and charming present from you. I do not find adequate words to express my thankfulness to you. I needed a watch very badly. I often got late for school. Now I shall become more punctual. Your choice is most commendable. The watch you have sent is a remarkable combination of beauty and quality. It is a fine specimen of Hindustan machine tools workmanship. Next, Please pay my compliments to aunt and love to Chotu and Motu. This is the last conclusion paragraph. In the conclusion paragraph, sum up the reason for writing the letter and say a meaningful and affectionate goodbye to the reader. And don't forget to invite the reader to write back to your letter. Next, come to the complimentary closing. The complimentary closings appear at the end of the personal letter before the signature. You should use a closing like regards affectionately, with love, or lots of love. After, you should write the signature, you should write your name. Finally, the receiver's address should be written on the envelope. This is all about personal letter. Thank you.